Okay, your piece is sealed. It's been a couple days or a day and a half, 36 hours or so, and you're all excited and you run your hands over the piece and it feels not as smooth as you'd like. What's really common is for dust to settle in the surface as the finish is curing while it's still fresh. And it's going to leave slight roughness to the surface. Not bumpy, not like sandpaper, but it's not as silky smooth as you'd like. So there's an easy way to deal with that, and it's something that I've done over the many years, regardless of whatever finish I'm using. And that's to take a very fine grit sandpaper. This is wet dry sandpaper. This is 600 grit, so I'm going to use 600 grit here. You could use 800 or 1,000, but do not go coarser than 600 grit. Otherwise, you might start actually removing material, and that's not what we're trying to do. All we're trying to do is basically shave off any roughness without affecting the surface at all. You can't tell that I've done this. An alternative to this is to use some sort of sanding pad. Now, this is one I got at a home center many, many years ago, and it's, a thin, flexible material, it's foam, and it happens to be 220 grit. When it's new, this is far too coarse. You're going to scratch the surface. It's not going to work. But if you want to use something like this to basically take off the roughness, rub this on the floor of your concrete floor, or rub it on some bare concrete, and basically soften the surface to where it feels as soft as this. Now this is gritty, of course, but it's a very fine grit. So here's how I use it, either one. I'm going to do this one first. Very little pressure, just enough to hold on to, and I'm going to go in I'm actually trying to hold it up off the surface, and just lightly wipe the surface. And what that's doing is it's shaving off, you can see how little material has been removed here. I'm just shaving off the roughness, and now it feels silky smooth. Something like this, same way. Light pressure, I'm not even the whole weight of my hand. Just enough to make contact. Take your time, you only have to do this once. And just go over the top. I'm not trying to remove material, I'm just taking off that roughness. You can see there's almost no dust on my hand from doing this. Same thing in here. Very gentle. If I start pushing too hard, I might actually start creating scratches, or worse, start cutting through the finish. Unless there's, if you only do 2 coats, which is the minimum, you could easily sand through a brand new finish that's still young and curing. All you're doing, again, is making it feel nice. It should feel silky smooth, and do all the surfaces.